Hey guys, DaveDisci and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be checking out my baby Yoongi. I know all of them I've said that they're my husband, but truly they are. I have like 7 husbands now. And officially, we're all getting married, so you're all invited to the wedding, yes. So Yoongi is one of my husbands, and apparently he makes a lot of like these cute little sound effects and stuff, because we know my baby likes to be goofy sometimes. So we're going to check out those cute sounds, and if you're into stuff like that, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified of videos like that. And if you're a hater and you like to leave your hates comments, you can also hit that notification bell, alright? Now, let's jump right into it. I love these screams. Oh, I love that he gets so excited about a dog. Is that not the most adorable sounding bird? How does that sound come out of face? He makes such cute baby sound. I usually don't like hearing like baby cooing and crying, but he can pull it off. A big baby. Oh. Oh, my baby's so cold. Hey, hey, hey. 엄청 커요. 빨간 맛 무슨 맛인데? 빨간 맛 궁금해. 여러분, 여러분들 위해 제가 빨간 맛 수가 궁금해. 아, 거다. 뭐야 저게? These sounds make me so giddy. I can even make these sounds if I wanted to. Wow! This makes him like 30 million times cuter. Get you someone that can squeak when you're looking at him.
맞아. 잘한다. 오, 활 쏩니다.
Oh, that's so adorable. He gets so excited. He is really one of a kind, special being. Oh, that's it. I was hoping to see more. We couldn't get a 10-minute video of him making these weird sounds. I guess they just haven't
맨날 잘 같이
existed yet.
놀다가 다리를 잡았는데 심하게 물어가지고 약국에 간 적이
What is this? Ooh, let me know if you guys want me to see that video.
어디 물렸어? 손?
That dog is shook.
다리 물렸는데?
피가 났었거든요.
That's what she deserves.
What is this? Yes, sing your heart out. Kill it. Get those notes. So let me know what you think of this video and if you thought it was huge and funny at all, because I'm very curious to know what your thoughts are. My baby Yoongi can make any sound and I'd probably be like, my love. Let me know what your favorite moment is. Please leave the timestamps down below. Thank you so much for leaving all your comments. I really appreciate it. I'm featuring it in this comment right here. Thank you so much for leaving comments. Love, love, love. Thank you. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, as I said earlier, and I'll see you in the very next one. Bye.